Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let me know in the comment section below कैसे हैं आप? I'm doing real good. And let's start with this video. So today's video is going to be all about 5 ways you can actually change your state, or basically whenever you're feeling stressed, depressed, or कौन सा भी एक आधा जो mood है that is being stuck with you, and your other mind knows that it's bothering you, bothering your energy levels. So this is the right video where in this video I'm going to tell you guys 5 things or चीज़ें जो you guys can do and easily it will instantly change or uplift your mood. First thing, whatever state you are in, you have to get out of that state. When I say state, it's basically if you are sitting and if you're feeling those mood, those frustration, anger, or stress or crying issues, instantly get up and start walking. अभी इससे क्या होता है? You change your surroundings and you start looking at your surroundings, and then instantly, because brain में बहुत सारे thoughts चलते हैं, so this will eventually help you to decrease those other thoughts. ठीक है? Second thing is listen to music. Okay? Fatak say, when you know human brain is something so beautiful that you eventually know that when you start thinking those thoughts that are actually going to hurt you and are going to bother you. So फटाक से फोन ले लो, गाने सुनना चालू कर दो, ठीक है? You eventually start singing the lyrics and everything changes instantly. ठीक है? So ये बहुत and easy नुस्खा है. Third thing is start talking to a person. Okay? When I say a person, it can be friend, family, जो भी आपके आजू बाजू में है. Just go and interact. अभी इससे क्या होता है कि again those thoughts or the state that you were there in, वो सब फेड आउट होता है. एंड मेक श्योर व्हेन यू स्टार्ट टॉकिंग टू दैट पर्सन, डोंट टॉक अबाउट द थिंग और द थॉट्स जिसकी वजह से आप स्ट्रेस में थे. ठीक है? या फिर आप एंगर इश्यूज, या फिर आप सैड फील कर रहे थे, वो डिस्कस नहीं करना है, कुछ और डिस्कस करना है. ठीक है? सो इससे क्या होता है, अगेन यू फील interested in those other. Fourth thing is basically start your phone. I think this is the quickest way. Phone उठा लो and start doom scrolling on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever it is, and stay connected to those world rather than actually feeling very sad about the thoughts you are in. ओके, दिस इज़ द ईजिएस्ट वे. अगर आपको म्यूज़िक नहीं सुनना है, अगर आपको किसी से बात नहीं करना है, अगर आपको एक जगह से उठना भी नहीं है, या फिर इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल टू एक्चुअली गो एंड चेंज योर सराउंडिंग, दिस इज़ द क्विकेस्ट वे. ओपन योर डैम फोन. लाइक इसके लिए तो फ़ोन है गाइस. And fifth thing is little tricky. Okay, that's why I'm keeping it on fifth. And I, it's like it's easy. Okay, सुनने के लिए easy है, but if you implement it, if when you are implementing it, you will feel little heavy, but it will still help you in reducing the pain that you're going through. It's diverging your brain thoughts. ओके? एंड दिस डाइवर्जिंग जो है वो आपको खुद ही करना है. अभी कैसे करना है? वॉट एवर थिंग्स यू आर फीलिंग राइट नाउ, ठीक है, उसको साइड में रख के उसका अपोजिट सोचना है. अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा डीप बोल रही हूँ मैं, सुन लो अच्छे से. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू फील दैट इफ यू डिडंट गॉट दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी, then you start cribbing about those thoughts again and again कि यार ये अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिली, इसके पहले भी नहीं मिली, इसके वजह से नहीं मिली, ब्ला 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 ब्ला. एंड एक नेगेटिव थॉट से और सो नेगेटिव थॉट्स इजीली बन जाते हैं गाइस. बट दिस step that I'm saying is like diverging is thinking from other perspective, thinking When you will talk this to a therapist, to a third person, to a family member, how that person will motivate you. In that perception, you have to motivate it yourself. How? You have to think like, thank God that you didn't got. Maybe because in future, वो इससे you could have not got benefited for a longer period of time. Understood? Like this, you have to change your perspective. This thing will motivate you instantly. Doing this, practicing this is difficult, but once you start doing this in such situations, it will really help you in a longer run. जहाँ पे कुछ भी available नहीं होगा, phone नहीं, surrounding नहीं, friend नहीं, गाने नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं, this thing will help you. ठीक है. So the ones which are actually listening to my video right now till the end, this thing will really help you. I mean, if you see or watch the most successful people on this earth, it's not because they have got everything in one go. No, they have never. They did the same thing again and again and again with a fresh thought perspective, and also by taking control on their mind and not getting stuck in their older thoughts. So yes, this was it. Thanks for watching till the end. Subscribe कर लो यार अगर end तक तुम लोग देख रहे हो तो. And if you guys want any, if you guys have any questions या फिर किसी और चीज़ पे videos बनाना है, please comment करो and I'll make it and I'll answer to them. Bye bye cuties. Have a good day. Sunday है. I'm gonna post it अभी. So yes, enjoy your Sunday. ज़्यादा सोचो मत.